All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Course. So today, look at this taper fade. This is what we call high taper fade. So today now, if today is your first time seeing my page, please do well to like, comment, and share, and don't forget to follow us for more. Now, I want to show you how to cut high taper fade. Can you see how it is? Can you see it? This is high taper fade. Look at where it stop. So for those of you that don't know how to cut high taper fade, this is how to do it. The first thing you need to do is to brush the hair down. Brush it very well so that you see the texture of the hair. Do you understand? You see the texture of the hair after brushing the hair. Can you see? The customer doesn't want this hair to be combed. Can you see it? So make sure you brush it well so that you see how the hair grows. Do you understand? So that the blending will not be difficult for you. So after you have done it finish, the first guideline is going to be on what? On skin level. Join the blade together. Look at it, it's on low cut level. You bring the gel up. Can you see it? You close it. Turn your clipper on. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Then the first guideline, you create skin. This is high taper fade. Can you see it? You create the first guideline. Can you see the way I'm curving it? Can you see it? This is the first guideline, which is skin. Can you see it? Once you have created the first guideline, the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. Follow it accordingly. You put it on low cut level. You bring the gel down. I'm taking it slow so that you understand what I'm doing. Can you see it? You create the second guideline. This is the second guideline. After you have created it finish, you put it on skin level again. You close the blade again. You remove this line. The first guideline line, remove it. You use the edge of the blade. Use the edge of the blade to remove it. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Use the edge to remove it. Please make sure you share this video. Let other people to learn. Let them learn from this. Don't be stingy. Let's be our brother's keeper. Can you see it? We have created the first and second guideline. So the third guideline now you're going to create is going to be on what? Step one. Can you see it? It's going to be on step one. Sorry guys. This is step one. You put it, you open the blade, put it on low cut level. Once you put it on step one, you bring the gel down. Can you see it? See what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? This is high taper fade. See what I'm doing? Can you see it? Now, can you see that this place now, the hair is not too much? Can you see this? Can you see it? So what are you going to do now? You are going to make use of step one and a half to get this blending, to get the shape. You put it on step one and a half. This is one and a half. Can you see it? 1.5. You do it like this. Don't let it to go up well. Just that you want to blend the hair to give it that high taper fade shape. This thing is very very simple, but some people make it to look like it's very very difficult. It's not difficult. Now after you have gotten the shape, you remove the step one and a half. You insert your step one again. You put it under low cut level by bringing the gel down. Take it step at a time. You turn your hand, you blend it like this. You fade it down. You can call it fading or you call it blending. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see it? So take your time to watch this video. There is no how you watch this video from beginning to the end that you don't understand how to cut high taper fade. Can you see it? It's very very simple. After this now, you turn your hand upward again, you blend it up, you blend it up, make sure you brush it. Can you see it? Can you see what you are doing? After this, you put it on skin level under step one. Carry the gel up, close it, you blend it. See where I'm doing it. Can you see it? After this now, you remove your step one, you do your normal free hand blending, put it on low cut level, you brush it down like this. Can you see it? After this, turn your hand downward as if you want to cut low cut. You blend it like this. Can you see it? Remember, this is HUC. Always do it theory and practical in a way that even a newborn baby will understand it. Can you see? That is very, very simple. After this, turn your hand upward again to clean the remaining line. Anywhere that you see that not blend very well, you clean it like this. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Can you see what I'm doing? It's very, very simple. Can you see it? This is how to cut high taper fade. Then after that, you, you put it on normal low cut blade, bring it down again, and trim off the excess hair. Can you see it? Remember, the customer doesn't want the hair to be combed. Do you understand? So this is it. This is how to cut high taper fade. If I should enhance this hair now, it will be how. So this is theory and practical. I'm just showing the practical and the theory aspect of this. If you know you learn something from this, please share, let other people learn too. And don't forget to follow us for more. Go to our YouTube channel, our Facebook too. Follow us. You know regret being part of this family. I love you guys. This is HUC. So this is how to cut high taper fade step by step. I love you guys.